The relevance is sorry. The
Excellent.
result is Punjab. Excellent. Okay, that
Sorry?
excellent was the right answer. Okay, and I will go for the next question. When the query is number seven, number seven North Street, and the result is North Street. No, excellent was wrong
It's
answer.
acceptable. Acceptable.
Acceptable, acceptable.
User intent.
This, yeah,
User
user
intent.
intent. Okay, and the query is for Starbucks in Chennai. Okay, then what are the how will you rate the relevance if the result also with the Starbucks in Chennai?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
The query is for Starbucks in Chennai. Result also we have three results. The three results also is Starbucks that is located in Chennai. What will be the answer for the relevance?
Excellent, ma'am.
It's excellent only.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, excellent for all the three because what are the Starbucks located in
Tell me again.
queries for Chennai? Queries for Chennai, and the result is Chennai Marina Beach.
Good user intent.
Good user intent because this is internationally famous, the longest beach, no second longest beach.
Jabini, your voice is not clear actually.
Can you hear me, all of you? See, I don't
Yeah,
have a
right.
stable internet connection. I might be. Okay, we can see some examples today. Sheila, I'm using your account. I have finished more than 2 hours. Okay, let it be.
Okay.
Happier go. ನೀವು ತಮಿಳ್ல வருதே. Okay, I will explain the query. The query is ATM. Okay, everyone. The query is ATM. It is coming in Tamil. Okay, no problem. The query is ATM. Mm, Viewport is fresh. What will be the answer for the navigation for the result of this query?
Ma'am, good.
Woman.
Why good? The query is ATM. I'm translating it. It is ATM.
Yes, ma'am. Query is ATM, but result
Mm.
in bank ATM, na?
Result also it is an ATM.
So this is
Excellent.
good, ma'am. Excellent, excellent.
No. The why it is excellent?
Because, ma'am, user intent.
User intent.
See whether the first give me the answer for the one is there an navigation result for the query, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Okay, there are many
ATM.
ATMs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for the first one? You said excellent. Okay.
Excellent.
Excellent was the right answer. Why excellent? I need why it is excellent.
The user is the
User is
viewport and
outside,
it is separate
but the result is inside the viewport, so it is given
viewport.
excellent. Okay, the right answer is excellent. No problem. Okay, what is the answer for the second one? Second relevance.
Good.
Okay, good was the right answer. Third one.
Bad.
It is very far. It is very far. 85 kilometers from the viewport. There will be many ATMs nearby the viewport, so it should be given only bad. Okay, then it is bad distance. Now I just want to rate only name, address, and pin, and don't want to rate the relevance here. Some questions will come like I'm copying the latitude longitude pin and pasting it with the Google Map. person is landing on this building, I have to check whether this building contains ATM or not. I'm checking the street view. It says an ATM, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
No, it's a Xerox shop. It's not an ATM. Is there an ATM nearby? This building. I don't have any ATM in this building. But the image was captured in Jan 2023, but I should not consider that. Okay, see, the image was captured in Jan 2023. I cannot consider that. I am searching nearby. It was there on CNV ATM is there in this building. But there is no street view available. Okay, there is no street view presently available. Jan 2023. Okay, so there is a ATM in that building, so I am giving the pin as perfect, and here I have to give the no because it does not have a proper recent street view that is viewing the Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank ATM. Can you see it? See, can you understand why I gave no for this question, Mohan? Have you understood, Sheila?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have no street view viewing that there is no ATM. But it is in the Google, it is telling in building it contains ATM because that image was captured in 2023. Now they had a ATM in that building, so I marked it as perfect.
So
And
we
I
need to
have to check
consider
the
the street view only in the 2026. So
yeah, it is only 2026 and 6 month old. 6 month old you can consider. You cannot more than that. Mm. Please show me. Is there an option to locate an ATM? Let's see. There is no option, I think. Locate our branches or any other things. Okay, now that is not available. So I'm going with the Bhuvan. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank ATM in Nehru Nagar.
மேம் ஒரு டவுட் மேம் கேட்கலாமா?
சொல்லுங்க.
ஆக்சுவலி அந்த யூசர் இருக்கிறது விழுப்புரம், பட் நம்மளுக்கு ஏடிஎம் இருக்கிறது வந்து திருவண்ணாமலை. இப்போ இன்கேஸ் இடையில நிறைய ஏடிஎம்ஸ் இருக்கலாம், இருந்தாலும் ஏன் வந்து நம்ம இப்போ இவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல, இதுல வந்து நம்ம எக்ஸலன்ட் வந்து ரூல்ஸ் படி தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணி கொடுக்கணுமா? இது டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அதிகமா
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் எக்ஸலண்ட் தான் சரியா? ஏன்னா ரூல்ஸ் படி அது வந்து வியூ போர்ட் ஃப்ரெஷ், வெளியே யூசர் இருப்பாங்க. நீங்க வியூ போர்ட்டுக்குள்ள எத்தனை ரிசல்ட் இருந்தாலும் எக்ஸலண்ட் தான். செகண்ட் ஒனுக்கு எனக்கு ரேட் பண்ண வேண்டாம், ரெலவென்ஸ்க்கு ரேட் பண்ண சொல்லி கொடுக்கல, அதனால அதை நான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணல. தேர்ட் ஒன் ரொம்ப ஃபார் அவே ஃப்ரம் த வியூ போர்ட், நடுவில் ஏகப்பட்ட ஏடிஎம் இருக்கும், தெருவுக்கு தெரு இப்போ ஏடிஎம் இருக்கும். சரி, அதனால இது பேட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன்.
ஓகே மேம், இதுல வந்து ஆக்சுவலி நம்ம அந்த எக்ஸலென்ட் அந்த குட் இதெல்லாம் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு வந்து ஏதாச்சும் நம்மளுக்கு கிலோமீட்டர்ஸ் வந்து கணக்கு?
கிலோமீட்டர் கிடையாது, கணக்கு கிடையாது.
ஓகே மேம். ஓகே மேம், தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
திருவண்ணாமலை 606604 வெங்கி கையா பாப்போம். ஸோ அந்த இடத்துல லொக்கேட் ஆகிருக்க மாதிரி அட்ரஸ் நமக்கு காமிக்கல. பார்ப்போம். 606601 6604 இந்த இருக்கு நமக்கு கொடுத்துருக்க ஏடிஎம். போலூர் ரோட், வெங்கிக்கல், திருவண்ணாமலை. நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்க அதே பில்டிங் தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? Can you locate it? It is in the same building where it's our pin was located. The number 2. Right, it is little bit blur. See, it was in this building. This road, see, V-shaped road was there. Can you see the V-shaped road? Same building our pin was located. Can you see Mohan? Yes. Sheila,
Yes, ma'am.
Renuka Devi, can you locate it? It is exactly on this building, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohan, is there any doubt for this? No, no.
No, I didn't
Sam?
understand this actually.
See, it is located on this building. I have taken the address from the Bhuvan map. Okay, in the website it is not available, so you can take the address from the Bhuvan map. The pin is located on this building. Here also it is same building. Can you see?
Yeah.
For the pointing, it is in the V shape. Here also
Yeah.
see, it is in the V shape. Can you see?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So, but the street name is incorrect. That is does not match with the Bhuvan. This was the address given in the Bhuvan. Polu Road, Vengikal, Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu. So it is given in Kudalur, Chittur Road. But so I am giving incorrect street name. And the name it is correct. Okay, because Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank ATM is an ATM. So I am giving it as correct. Is there any doubt for this question? Anyone? Anyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah. What doubt? Address accuracy, street name is mismatching. It is given Polur Road in the website, but it is given Kudalur Chittur Road. That is Nehru Nagar. That is why giving incorrect street name. Any doubt on that? Sheila Kanpurida, Renuka Devi. Okay. Sumati?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now it is very far from the user location. So the third one I gave it as bad distance. I have to locate this in this location. You have any ATM or not? So I'm checking in this building we have any ATM or not. You can see HDFC TMBF Bank ATM. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, it
Yes,
isn't
madam.
there in this building. So
But
I am
it is
giving
the
the pin.
2023 one.
And it is there, but so street view is available there also. Is there any information? It is in 6 by Puducherry, Padaraja Perumal Nagar. Okay, try it from the Bhuvan. Six 605006. Maybe this one Gori made Perumal Nagar is given. It is a Maharaja Perumal Nagar. Maybe this one, I think so. Check it out. See, it is landing here. I'll check with this Bhuvan also. See, same location only our landing. See, this is a see this also same thing. Can you imagine this one? Whether this one matches with this here above one. So the pin is also landing on the same building where it is landing on the tray rating. Okay, so I'm giving the pin as perfect. Dashing seat view, so I'm giving yes. And the address is Perumal Nagar. This one. Perumal Nagar, Nandavantri Nagar, Gorimedu, Puducherry. But here street number and street name and sub-locality is wrong. So I'm giving incorrect. Street number and street name and sub-locality name is category is correct. Because Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank ATM is an ATM. It
So
matches
you're
with the
referring
category.
to the Google Map.
Yeah. See, this is was the address. Uh, what I have to click? Why I have to click? Order of the address is incorrect. If the order of the address is incorrect. Is there any? Hmm. Which condition? Which condition? This condition you cannot apply. Hmm. The order of the address is incorrect. That is, street number comes after the street name. Address is correct, but it is mismatched with the order. In that case, order of the address is incorrect. Then you have to give it as incorrect with formatting issues. Okay. Now, just to query is a cotton cottage. You search in your Google Map whether it is navigation yes or no for this question. Mohan, you can search it and tell me. Actually, order of the address is incorrect. Order of the address is incorrect. You can give correct with formatting issues.
Just a second, I'm searching.
Search and tell me.
Navigation, no, ma'am.
Hmm. What is this cotton cottage then? It is a brand of Godown alla idu oru kada small shop. There are many. It's a branches of shops. Okay, it's a clothing store. Okay. Now the viewport is stale, right? It is a branch of business. Okay, it is like Starbucks. It has many branches in Mumbai. Now you have to copy this latitude longitude pin because it is stale. Okay, if it is a fresh, the user is outside. What are the results present inside? I can give it as excellent. I have to check whether any result near to the user. Then only I can rate this first one. I'll copy this user location and paste it in the Google Map now. User is here and searching. I am nearby Cotton Cottage. See, there are many cotton cottages. This also, I think, so cotton. This cotton on. Here is one cotton cottage. Here is one cotton cottage. I have to check whether we have two cotton cottages. Many cotton cottages are there, but it's a Bandra West. It is not cotton cottage. It is a cotton world. User question. Okay, this was the user location. Our result was here, I think so. First one or second one. It may be first one or second one. I have to check it. I think so. It is the first one. I can give this as excellent. I think so. It is a Cotton King. It is a Cotton Project Palazza Darbar. Darar West. This one. See, there is one Cotton Cottage. There's a two branches. Cotton Cottage has. Okay. And you see, this is also one Cotton Cottage shop, and this is also one Cotton Cottage shop. It is a branch of shops. Okay. And user location was here. Here, this location, this is one which is located the second one. Okay, not the first one. Okay. So already there is an one Cotton Cottage that is near to the user. This is the one second nearest to the user. So I should give this as good distance because it's already one Cotton Cottage in before this one. So I'm
Yeah.
giving this as good distance. Okay. Now I just want to copy the latitude longitude pin in the Google map and check whether any Cotton Cottage shop is in that location. It is landing here. I have to check any Cotton Cottage in this building. It is. This is not a cotton, I think so. This one. Nearby Cotton Cottage. This one. In this building only it is located. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Cotton Cottage. See, you have GST number here, right? You have a GST number here, right? Can you see the GST number? See, you can use the GST website also for the address. Okay, so take the GST website. I have to show you how to find the address from the GST website. Okay, so take the GST website and take this services. Sorry, search taxpayers. Search UN. Okay. You have to type this number here, this GST number. If you want zoom here and see the GST number. Can anyone say 27AA D double C
38.
33829 3829 K1ZH. Got enter the characters by 447. See, Cotton Cottage. Your address will be here. Principal place of address are Industrial Area, Link Road, 2078, given 28. This is the address, okay. The principal place of address, taxpayer. So the address is incorrect. Name is correct because Cotton Cottage is a clothing store only. So incorrect street name and street number. Street name and street number are incorrect. And sub locality is also. Pin is perfectly pasting, so I am giving the pin as perfect. You cross-check with this in the website also in time.
மேம் ஜிஎஸ்டி நம்பர் வச்சு தான் அட்ரஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியுமா மேம் கரெக்டா?
உங்களுக்கு வெப்சைட் இல்லைன்னா you can go with the GST. ஸோ இதுக்காக சொன்னேன். சரியா? வேற எதுவும் இல்ல. சில கடையில வெளிய ஜிஎஸ்டி நம்பர் போட்டிருப்பான். ஸோ அதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு தெரியறதுக்காக சொன்னேன்.
சரி.
இது டாதர் வெஸ்ட்ல இருந்துச்சு. இதோ நிறைய இருக்கு. So many background noise from who is talking like that? Mandana Bazaar. This also is an address. Okay, no problem. See, this is the one how to use the GST website. That is why I am telling. If you know that if in Street View it will be available for the shop the GST number. Okay, with that you can use the GST website to find the address. Okay, if this is also one of the option to find the address. That is why I have chosen this for you. Okay. Is there any doubt for the question?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? No. Okay. Now, what is Satigon? Whether it's a name of the place, maybe there is only one place like this or many places. Check it out and tell me.
Navigation as
Check it
well.
out. Navigation is there only one place. Is here. Here yes coming. This also
மேம்
satisfies the user.
ஒடிசா
இருக்கா?
அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒன்று காமிக்குது மேம்.
Okay, I also check with the Bhuvan.
அசாம் ஒடிசா.
Antigone is in Odisha, Assam. ரெண்டு பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு. So she cannot be no. Okay. If it is no, there if it is having two places named like same name, then you have to go with the rules only. This is one very closer to the user, so I am giving this as excellent. And what is will be the answer for the name accuracy? Mohan, what is the name for answer for name accuracy for this question? Mohan, are you there? Mohan?
Yeah, I
Mohan, are
am
you
here.
there? Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the answer for the name accuracy?
This is right.
This is right. Hey, actually, it's the name of a place. Then what will be the answer for the name accuracy? Are you here in the class?
Yes, yes.
What is the answer for the name accuracy? It is an address type.
So address it's NA.
Yeah, it should be NA. Check in the Bhuvan map. This address is right or not, and tell me. Sam,
Bhuvan
check the
map
latitude,
plan.
longitude. Ma'am, are you there? The latitude, longitude pin in the Google map, whether it is landing in the Hattigon place.
The unit there, Shirisha?
Yeah, it is correct.
Whether it matches to the Bhuvan.
Yes.
Sam, whether the pin is landing on the place, Hattigon. Whether this pin is latitude, longitude pin is located on that place, have you checked? I asked you to check now. I'm copying this latitude and pasting it in the Google map and checking whether it is landing on that place. It is landing in Guwahati. Check whether it is a Hattigon. Yeah, it is Hattigon, Guwahati, only the name of the place. So it is perfectly landing on that place. So I am given perfect. Is there any doubt for this question? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. What? There is two places named Hattigon. Named Hattigon in India. Here shown one places. You have to check with the Google and Bhuvan whether any only one place like that. It is not only one place. There is two places named like that. So you should not give the navigation. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now tell me the answer for this question. What is the navigation? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. What? Sam, tell me what rule number will be applied. Which rule will be applied to this question? That which rule for the relevance? Mohan, can you tell me?
It's the second one.
Why the second
User,
one?
sorry, user is outside, no?
Yeah, use.
So it's the third one actually.
No, not third one. Check it properly and tell me. What is the rule? User is outside and results are inside. Viewport is fresh.
Distance viewport.
No. First rule. So, what will be the answer for the relevance? Mohan, what is the answer for the relevance?
Excellent.
Excellent, because user is outside. So what are the results present inside the viewport should be given excellent. Whether all the three relevance can be given excellent? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So for all the things you can give it as excellent. So I am giving excellent. This also a petrol pump, so I am giving excellent. This also a petrol pump, so I am giving excellent. Okay. So I am copying latitude longitude pin and pasting it in this Google map, whether it is landing on the Reliance petrol pump. So it is landing on the bill petrol pump only, you can see.
Yes.
And checking the street view. This is a geo pump. We can that is also be renamed as line, no problem. It is the address ground floor SH34 Kolian Road, Tamacheri, Kozhikode. SH34 is that, but this street name is missing and sub locality Tamaracheri is missing. So I am giving incorrect street name and sub locality. Pin is perfectly landing, so I'm giving pin is perfect. Name is Reliance Petrol Pump, is a petrol, so the name also is correct.
So you are referring the address from the Geo thing.
Geo website.
Okay.
Okay. And I just go for the third one. I'm copying the latitude longitude pin and pasting it in the Bhuvan map, Google map. Now to check whether the pin is landing. Whether the pin is landing on the rooftop of the building or in the area of the building.
It's the area of the building.
It is in the area of the building. You can confirm with this map also once again. The third one. Always use this hybrid map. But it is not landing on the rooftop of the building, so I am giving it as approximate. Name is an Indian petrol pump, is a petrol pump, so I am giving it as correct. So you can take the answer from the website. It will be located here. Ground floor, Ariyalur, Kuttupadam, Palakkad. So incorrect street name and sub locality. Copying it and pasting it here. Okay. And this is the last one, Bharat Petroleum Petrol Pump. The name is correct. I have to check the pin is perfectly landing.
So you're referring to the Indian Oil as well, huh? So how you
Yeah, for Indian oil petrol pump, you have to check in the Indian oil petrol pump website.
so how you referring it, like, because like
See,
are you adding
below
any
itself you will, no, below itself you will have the website in the. So if they have no problem, otherwise you have to search the Indian oil pump petrol. Okay, so the trick is that take the Indian oil petrol pump. Okay, take this one and search this latitude longitude pin. Copy this latitude longitude pin and paste it here. You will get that. You will get the answer. The 0.01 kilometer is the correct one.
okay,
Got it?
okay.
These are all nearby 3 kilometers. This is 0. Same location is located. Got it? How to find out? சொல்லுங்க என்ன
ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியல மேம். பெட்ரோல் பங்க்லயே இருந்துச்சு, இப்ப தெரியுதுங்க.
Okay, that's second one is in this petroleum alone. We don't have specific website to address it. How to take it from the Bhuvan only. Okay. It is a name Hilbang Mishmanan to the dealer name. You copy this and paste it, then you will get that address. Then go. It is the name. Mettupalayam Hilbang. Search the Hilbang. 3. This is the one I think so. Let's check this one also. This is not the 1643001. Mettupalayam. 6464301. This was the one. This was the one. Ooty. Can you see? This is the one. Same location. Can you see this? This 4 building was here. This one. So the address is Ooty, Gudalur Road, Ooty. So the street name is incorrect. So I'm giving incorrect street name. Pin is perfectly landing on the rooftop. So I'm giving it perfect. Is there any doubt for this question? But the thing is that you have to find it from the woman for the Bharat only. But Indian Oil, HP, Naira, and Shell, all other things you can do it from their website. Geo, all things. Is there any doubt? Sheila, Renu, Malik, Chetan, and Mohan?
Ma'am,
Only
No doubt.
one petrol we need to consider from the
மேம்
Google.
இதுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் வந்து
Yeah. சொல்லுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ஒருத்தரா சொல்லுங்க. One by one.
No, I'm saying only Bharat Petroleum we need to consider from the Google, no?
Yeah, Bhuvan map because they don't have a specific website for the address of the pump. That is why. Okay, Sheila, what is your doubt? Sheila?
மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்
Sheila?
வந்து பின் லேண்டிங் காமிங்க மேம்.
First one pin perfect
The
தானே?
pin வந்து approximate அப்படின்னு
ஏன்னா அது ரூஃப் டாப்ல இல்ல, அது வந்து சாரி தேர்ட் ஒன் அப்ராக்சிமேட், ஏன்னா ரூஃப் டாப்ல இல்ல பட் பவுண்டரிஸ் ஆஃப் த பில்டிங் குள்ள இருந்தது. தேர்ட் ஒன் அப்ராக்சிமேட் கொடுத்தேன். கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி இருக்கு தெரியுதா? ரூஃப் டாப்ல இல்ல, கொஞ்சம் ஜூம் பண்ணி பார்த்தா தெரியும். தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ரூஃப் டாப்ல இருக்கு, அது கொடுத்தேன்.
இப்ப அது பக்கத்துல மூணு கடை இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறப்ப பொதுவா காமிக்குதுங்கிறப்ப ப்ராஃபிட் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி
இல்ல இந்த ரூஃப் டாப்ல தான் அந்த ஜியோ பல்க் இருக்கு, அதனால பர்ஃபெக்ட் கொடுத்தேன்.
சரி ஓகே.
Is there any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your doubt?
Ma'am, in GT Studio, when I practice for the follow the rules, when the user is placed and the user is outside and all the result is inside. So the result is given the should be excellent. But in that in GT
Actually, what is the query? What is the query? According to the query only, you have to go with the rule. You have to consider the query for that.
Okay. But they consider
There is so many background noise. Huh? What?
for the first rule, first one for they tried for the
Yeah, first is the rule, you are right. But I am asking what is the query? By considering the query only, I can tell you, you can go with this rule like that. Okay. That is why I am asking you what is the query. And see, now I have to discuss with you for the third day rule. Okay. The third day rule is for the transit POAs. That is for transit POAs, only one rule for the third day. Transit POA means
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
so many background noise. Who is that? I don't know.
I don't know, some vehicle noise is there.
Yeah, vehicle noise. I think from Sam Paulson. You can mute it for some time. Okay. And for bus station, railway station, and for toll gates. Okay. If generally the query is bus stop, or it is railway station, or it is metro station, or it is toll gate, you can go with the viewport rule. But if it is particularly mentioning the name of a railway station, example Azad Nagar metro station. Okay. Just take it. You check it in the Google whether there is any two Azad Nagar metro station is there. Check it and tell me. Only one metro station is there.
Only one, ma'am.
Yeah, only one is there. So I should give navigation. Okay. If the result also Azad Nagar metro station, you can give it as navigation. But the result is I am giving it is Naigon railway station. Okay, sorry, metro station. But that metro station is next metro station to the Azad Nagar. Okay. At that cases, you have to give good distance for the relevance of Naigon metro station. Okay, because which is next to the Azad Nagar. But if it is also given the third result as Godkapur metro station, which is very far from the Azad Nagar, then you have to give it as bad distance. You should not give it as bad user intent because it is a transit POI question for the bus stops, railway stations, and metro stations and tollways. This rule should be applied. If only the queries for a particular name of a station. If it is just in railway station or metro station, you can go with the viewport rule. You have any doubt? I won't explain it again. Is there anyone? God may rule or not?
Yes.
Yeah, got the rule?
Yes.
Got the rule. Okay. And and another
So
one
this will
thing
be
was
applied for all the railway stations, metro station, and the bus station, right?
when it is for a particular name of the station only, this rule will be applied.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And another one more thing. Um,
Ma'am, tell me
this thing.
when
புரியல கேட்கல என்ன சொன்னீங்க கேட்கலடா hello okay when the query is for railway station and the result is metro station means you have to give it as bad user intent okay because railway station is connecting big two cities metro station is only within the cities so you have to give it as bad user intent for that one. Okay, this thing only I have to discuss with you. This rule will also come with the POAs of chain businesses when the queries for a particular the queries for McDonald's in Chennai and the result is McDonald's in Bangalore. There's very far distance from the Chennai to Bangalore. Then that case also should be given bad distance. Okay, McDonald is located in many places, so that's why this same rule will come. This transit POI rule will come. Chain business also this will come. If it is mentioned with a particular locality or address with if it is generally McDonald's, you have to go with the viewport rule. Okay, got
Okay.
it.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Got it.
Okay. And you would
மேம் இது
practice
செயின்
more chain business சொல்லுங்க
இல்ல மேம் இது வந்து
chain
செயின் பிசினஸ்க்கு மட்டும்தான் இந்த இந்த இது அப்ளை ஆகும் மேம்.
ஆமா செயின் பிசினஸ்க்கும் அந்த டிரான்சிட் வாய்ஸ் இந்த ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன் பஸ் ஸ்டேஷன்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும் தான் அப்ளை ஆகும் வேற எதுக்கும் அப்ளை ஆகும்
ஓகே
okay and practice it and come with the doubts okay tomorrow we will also have sessions with some other guys who are also joining okay practice it and come with doubts tomorrow okay in GT studio okay
Okay,
and
ma'am.
I will end up today. And if you have any doubts, also we can have a doubt clarification session alone for tomorrow. I will ping you in message. Mohan and Sam, have you understood little bit? You can join tomorrow's class also, no problem.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sure. And I will tell you the timings tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.